And I'll stay there too. There's some things that I can do without, but something's not you.
Parang looking back, walang isang moment na nagsabi sa akin na siya na. Nung tiningnan ko na lang lahat, saka ko napansin na simula pala nung dumating siya, ayun, nag-iba talaga yung buhay ko eh.
That I'm feeling, and I can't believe that your love has come to me. And forever I'll hold on to. I'm gonna hold on to you.
This day is really a very special day because this is the summit or the peak of your love affair.
I won't look back to things in the past, 'cause I know that I found forever in the love that we have. Oh, never gonna
Joy me. From an early age, I knew I was a little different. I've always wanted to do a lot of things. I just couldn't find the courage or the motivation to start.
Prayer ko lang naman talaga makatagpo ng makakasama habang buhay na understanding and palaging nakasupport sa lahat ng gagawin.
Joy me, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jesse dahil narito ngayon nalisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo.
Buong puso bang pagkakaluma sa kanya na yung sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo.
Ikaw naman, Jesse Jan, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Joy me na narito ngayon nalisunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakalma sa kanya ng sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikan sa piyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo.
Yes, Sir John, you may now kiss your bride and your wife, Joy me. Palakpakan po natin mga bagong kasal.
Bali nagkakilala kami sa work.
Parang palagi kaming tinutokso ng dalawa.
We started as friends. Lagi lang kaming magkausap. Tapos we grew closer.
When you smile, everything's in place. I've waited so long, can make no mistake. All I am, reaching.
Close kami pero hindi ko naman siya inaano na, yung parang di naman namin goal na maging kami talaga. Palagay yung loob namin.
Mabait kasi siya, madaling kausap. Mabilis niya makuha yung loob mo kasi nga parang wala naman siyang masamang pinapakita sa lahat ng tao.
Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale ending. Take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you. I'm moving closer to you.
As we got to know each other better, something changed.
Nung naging kami, parang sobrang biglang bago.
No more overthinking, no more second guessing, just doing.
Sobrang relax nung relationship. Parang naging ako-ako.
Hold my breath, falling into you. Break my fall and don't let go. Inch by inch we're moving closer. Feels like a fairy tale.
Since then, I've done things I I once only dreamed of. We've invested when others were doubtful. We've started a business. We bought cameras older than both of us. I learned to ride a bike, a motorcycle.
Through all of this, I've come to know you even deeper. The man I'm truly blessed to spend forever with.
You've seen me fail on several of these occasions, but I never felt judged.
I'm grateful to God for giving me you, my partner, my peace, my home.
I'm moving closer to you. Moving closer, closer to you. Moving closer.
We can never really control how fast time moves. But from now on, I've decided I'm going to spend most of it with you. I love you.